George Santa Stoville Toilet. It doesn't stop. It's a blizzard. It's been announced we got a blizzard. But we don't stop. We just keep moving forward in life, in business, in every aspect of our life. But you know what? I got my beautiful Toyota that's gonna keep me safe in the dangerous blizzardy weather. We ain't scared of this weather. Bring it on. Looking for the best. You know where it is. See here, it's covered. We're just gonna uncover it. George Santa Stoville Toyota.